All right, if you are needing new blades for your tools at the office, the WORKPRO 100 blade set is exactly what you need for your utility knife. I tell you what, one of the most frustrating things is having a dull utility knife blade, and it just makes the job that much more difficult. So with WORKPRO, they have a whole set for you. So in here in the unit, you have some details on WORKPRO, just telling you about them and the products that they offer. And then they also have this proper case for it. What I like about this case is you can actually mount it. So it's not one that you need to have and you have to open up all the time, but you can actually mount the case right there. So it's pretty cool. You go right off the top. If you notice this, boom. So you're able to just slide one of the blades out just like that. Look how easy that was. And let's see, hey, I got too many or I didn't need that one. I could pop it right back in there without any problems. And just like that. So 100 blades, rip-roaring and ready to go in a proper case. Tells you how to use it. Okay, on the back it says to push the button upwards, slide the blade out, take the blade out, and push the slider back. So all you're going to do, you're going to push up from the bottom, and then you're going to slide it over. And there is your blade that's popping out right there on the side, and you're ready to go. You're all covered up, no issues. Not going to be getting taken care or cut or anything with that. It's a 61 millimeter blade, and it is SK5 Steel, and you got 100 pieces ready to go. Guys, WORKPRO has an awesome product. It makes it easy for you to have sharp blades in your workshop. Check them out.